NCERT books are unavoidable to crack the IAS exam. Not only is the content of these books authentic, these books also help a civil services aspirant build conceptual clarity.
And most importantly, lots of questions in the civil services examination are directly asked from NCERT books. But aspirants often ignore these books.
We are going to make your reading and understanding of the NCERT books easier.
Launching NCERT Fundamentals course, a free initiative by Unacademy IAS English. The course begins 14th of July on our YouTube channel with daily live classes at 7 p.m. from Monday to Friday.
And every Saturday at 7 p.m, weekly revision with the practice test on the Unacademy app. We will also be sharing the concise NCERT notes.
So, subscribe to our YouTube channel now, turn on the notifications and make 7 p.m. your most productive hour. Let's crack it.